Oh, by the way, this is so hard. Hi friends and family, and whoever else is watching this. This is like the third time I tried filming this intro because, first of all, I'm not a natural YouTuber, so this is really hard. And second point, I know my hair is pink. It kind of looks weird in this lighting, but it is pink. I'm just going through a little impulse decision right here, so I like it, but it's just different. So just ignore that fact. My hair is naturally like strawberry blonde, so yeah, we're gonna get past that. So, third point is, today is September 21st, 2018. Nothing really special about that date, just wanted to let you guys know. Because last summer, 2017, I decided to surprise my best friend Marta in Madrid, Spain. Well, she lives in Toledo, Spain, but I contacted her parents a few months before and we arranged the whole thing, and I surprised her in her hometown in Toledo, Spain, and it went super well. So I spent 3 weeks in Spain. It was my first trip abroad, and throughout the whole trip I vlogged it, and I've been editing the clips for months. Obviously it's taken a while. I've just been super busy with school and with the new opportunity with YWAM, and so I finally have it up. It's the first part of my trip, just Toledo and Madrid. The second part will be coming after YWAM probably, so it'll probably be a few months honestly, but just stay tuned for that. I'll let you know when it's up. This is just the first part of my trip, which was the best trip ever, guys. It was my first trip abroad. So amazing. I made so many memories, and I can't wait to look back on these memories in this video and just remember the good times that I had. So without any more talking and rambling, I'm just gonna get on with the video. So here is my first trip abroad to Spain in the summer of 2017. Enjoy, friends.
Would you take my breath if I gave all that's left and you could breathe again? I'd never take it back or ask to change your act so you could feel again. But as time moves on and these enemies break you down, don't give up on your heart now. I'll be there if you fall down. As time moves on and these enemies break you down, don't give up on your heart now. I'll be there if you fall down. I'll be there if you fall down.
Hi guys, so it is Monday, June 26th, and me and Marta are heading to the Old City in Toledo, and we are going to the cathedral here. Yeah, Toledo's Cathedral. La Blanca. Yeah, and then we're going to like lots of sightseeing today because it's like my last week in Toledo. We're going to see the mosque and some synagogues, and just basically like all of Toledo that I want to see. I'm really excited for today because I've been waiting to see all of Toledo and all the history and stuff, even though Marta showed me all of the history. But yeah, so today is a sightseeing day. I'm very excited. Guys, this is gorgeous. I'm so excited to be inside. This is a dream, literally.
Love that takes you higher, I will forever be intertwined with you. Where the sun never goes down and time will slow down. Would it be too crazy if we decided to stay forever? Decided to stay forever. Forever. we should run away. Where the sun never goes down and time has slowed down. Would it be too crazy?
So right now we're headed to the Royal Palace in Madrid. There's the Royal Castle in Madrid. So pretty. And here's the Cathedral in Madrid as well. So big. Just went into that castle, right? Not castle, palace. That's the palace in Madrid. And then we haven't gone to the cathedral. We won't go there, but we went to the palace. I couldn't take any pictures, but it was beautiful. So now we're going to go. Oh, Great Avenue. It's like a really famous it's kind of famous in Madrid. Yeah. It's like in all the pictures. Not kind of famous, famous. It's all in the pictures of Madrid on Pinterest and stuff. That's where I've seen it. So I'm really excited. We're gonna do some shopping and stuff, and we're also gonna meet with Monica, Marta's sister, and her cousin.
If we decided to stay forever, decided to stay forever.
So I was having lunch and I started feeding the pigeons, and then they all came to me. And now we're feeding the pigeons. And Marta's really mad. Marta, how do you feel?
You're so disgusting. They're like rats with wings. Why are you feeding them?
Because they're cute. I felt bad. They all came to me. They started, all of them like bombarded me with doing food.